Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear. So fast you finished the what?
Just a small thing.
Huh? Central
Just
problems, you told only that introduction, right?
general problems, not generally
Only
panic
that?
knowledge. Only that.
Anish,
Yes, ma'am.
I couldn't hear actually whether he finished.
Ma'am, actually, everyone had small topics because there were almost nine students, right?
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, then who is the next one?
Ma'am, after Aman, I guess Naveen.
Naveen. Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
you can.
Ma'am, can I share the screen?
Yes, yes.
Market economy.
Hmm.
Ma'am, my topic is market economy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Just a second.
Your voice is not audible. Why? Don't mute it. Keep it unmute. It's not heard. Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, keep it in unmute only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Market economy. It is an economic system in which all material means of production are owned and operated by private with a profit motive.
Hmm.
In market economy, all economic activities are organized through the market.
Hmm.
Market is a set of arrangement where economic agents can freely exchange their products with each other. Buyers and sellers are need not to be present physically for selling and buying products. Interaction between buyers and sellers can take place in a variety of situations such as super bazaar or interact with each other through telephone or internet and conduct the exchange of products. The arrangements which allow people to buy and sell commodities freely are defining features of market.
Hmm.
In a market system, all goods or services come with a price at which exchange takes place. The price and production of goods rise according to the rising demand of goods. Thus, in a market system, the central problems regarding how much to produce, and how to produce are solved through the coordination of activities taught by the price signals. I've finished.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Stop. You can stop the sharing. See, any doubt for anyone? No, no one has any doubt, right? See, when I told that it is just don't read it out. You just write the explanation in your own words, and you can just present it in that way. Okay. So reading out, it is something like you are reading from. You can read from the textbook also, right? So some words you can add as your from your part as an explanation, that you can write it down and you can practice it. Okay, so reading in the sense I feel all are just showing something and reading it out. That should not be there, I feel. Okay, next person,
Alan Shibu.
Alan Shibu.
Yes, ma'am. Can I
Yes, yes,
share
yes.
my screen?
Yeah, sure. See, one more thing I wanted to tell. To both the periods, we are taking the attendance and submitting. Okay, it's not that only one period we will take the attendance and submit. Both the periods will be taking attendance and submitting. So, what I see here, those two periods, one period you will attend, another period you are not attending. So, this is one trend what I am seeing. What happens now, your parents will be called afterwards. Okay, okay, start.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, my all present here. Myself, Alan Thomas, here to take a seminar on the topic mixed economy. So, in this seminar session, I would like to discuss with you guys about what is mixed economy and the countries with mixed economy and its advantages and disadvantages. So, first of all, we move on with what is mixed economy. Mixed economy consists of both private companies and government or state-owned entities, which means mixed economy is a type of economy where both private companies and government or state are interfered, and they both have control of owning, making, selling, and exchanging of goods in the country, which means they have equal right to own, make, sell, and exchange of goods throughout the country. So, for example, in United States, the role of government is minimal, and in China, the majority of the plan is are centrally planned. But in India, after independence, the major decision was taken by the government, and throughout it was decreasing over the last decade. So some of the countries with mixed economies are Russia, Sweden, France, China, United Kingdom, and United States. These are some of the countries. There are many more. So next we move on to the advantages. So the first advantage is people can make their own decision. The second, the government has limited control, which is good for structure. Third, it provides freedom. Fourth, all national resources are utilized under mixed economy. Fifth, mixed economies have active government support and direction. And its disadvantages are instability, inefficient planning, lack of efficiency, delay in economic decision, more wastages, corruption and black marketing, threat of nationalism. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.
Okay, it was short and very good. And that first slide was very good. Mixed economy, that mixing of private and public. That was
Thank
really
you.
good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. Well explained also.
Thank you,
Good.
ma'am.
Okay. Next. Who else?
Me.
Yes.
See the slide.
Slides. Yeah, it's coming.
It came.
Yeah.
So, good morning, all. My name is Krishnarani, and my topic for seminar is positive and normative economy. Both positive economy and normative economy are two standard branches of modern economy, and we'll go with normative economy. Normative economy focuses on the value of economy, fairness, or what the economy should be or ought to be. Normative statement can say in a simple way that it derives from an opinion or a point of view. It tells that it is based on an individual statement, not by a group or not by so many people. It's based by an individual statement. An example for normative economy is unemployment harms an economy more than inflation. Next is positive economy. Positive economy it focuses in fact on behavioral relationship of cause and effects and includes the development and testing of economic theories. So in positive economy, it is based on real facts and describes about the economic development and also clarify its conceptions. And in positive economy, the thing is already is not present, and we have to make the thing like that. And
Is there any slide on that?
Ma'am, I'm showing. Not coming.
It is normative economics, right?
No, ma'am. I started positive economy. I think there's some problem. Let me check.
Okay.
And now it came.
No, it's coming. Wait, just 1 minute. Yes.
So, positive economy. It focuses on the facts and behavioral relationship of cause and effects, and includes the development and testing of economic theories. So, in positive economy, it is based on real facts. And examples of positive economy is an increase of tax rates ultimately result in decrease in total tax revenue. So, it describes about economic development and also classify the concession. And the person who explained the both positive and normative economy is Milton Friedman, and this is a photo of him. And he was born in 1912 and he died in 2006. Ma'am, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, some extra informations and all are explained, which is not there in the textbook. You might have find it difficulty to get the information about it because it's not much there in practice related to this positive economics and normative economics. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's done. Okay. Now anyone is remaining?
Yes, Mummy, Aparna.
Yeah, just Aparna, but we will do it on the next day. That is better because it will take time. Okay. Abdul Aman, Alan Thomas. Abdul Aman is present. Alan Thomas
Yes, ma'am, present.
present. Alan Varghese present. He was there. Okay. Anish, Aparna. What about Aparna? No, absent. Krishna Kanti.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Aparna is there. Okay. Krishna Kanti. Absent.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Okay. Krishnanunni. Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Nestle. Akshay. Akshay, where is he?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, present. Okay. Pavitra.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Okay. Pranav.
Present, ma'am.
Rahul.
Present, ma'am.
Rahul is there. Okay. Sayuja absent. Vinay is not there. Okay. Vishnu absent.
Ma'am.
Yes, Vishnu is there.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, I put absent for you. Roseanne,
Yes, ma'am.
you are there. Okay. Next, Abhiram, absent. Abhijit, absent. Abhilash, Amal, Vasuri, Kevin. Kevin, you joined very late, I
Present,
feel.
ma'am.
Omar,
Ma'am, I was there from the start.
you were there? When I
Yes,
checked,
ma'am.
I didn't see you.
I was there from the start, ma'am.
Okay, Omar, Sanam absent, Sandra absent. Okay then, bye everyone. Thank you. So the remaining people will do next. Okay, now how many are remaining, Anish? I think. Okay, one or
I
two.
think Nestle and
Aparna. Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.